A dog is not a pet. It is the silent embrace of God when you need it the most, who loves you more when you scream, when you fail, when you fall over and over again. It doesn't understand your words, but it understands your tears. It doesn't know about time, but it waits. It doesn't need reasons to love you. It just needs you to be there. And if dogs weren't creation, but messengers, beings sent to remind you how love feels when it doesn't ask for anything in return. When you get home, and it jumps as if you had come back from the other side. When you sleep,